Hey guys, are you looking for your dream home? We can help. Your property specialist. We will make it easy and help you to save time and money. Stay tuned, for this property might be your dream home.
Are you looking for elegant yet affordable house and lot? Dito lang yan sa Beverly Homes San Jose del Monte. Beverly Homes SJDM is located along Macabud Road, connecting Igay Road in Barangay San Roque, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Just a few kilometers away, Star Mall at Quirino Highway lang ito. In this road, magiging bahagi ito ng Circumferential Road 6 o C6, connecting South and North Luzon Expressway. Kaya, very accessible talaga. This is the main entrance and welcome to Beverly Homes SJDM. Beverly Homes SJDM is a development project of New Hall Realty Group Corporation, which is a 7 hectares property comprises of 600 residential units. At may 7 hectares expansion pa ito. Kaya, promising community. Beverly Homes SJDM offers Haley Unit, a 2-story townhouse with lot area of 54 square meter at floor area na 49 square meter. Meron din itong malaking parking space that can accommodate your cars, SUV, or even bigger vehicle. Tara! So once again, this is our parking space and andito ang ating main door. Pasok tayo! Welcome to Haley Unit. Haley Unit, meron tayong basic turnover, no? We have the tiles, we have the paint, at meron tayong ceiling sa taas. So, most probably, dito ang ating living area, no? At sa bahaging ito, pwedeng kitchen or dining area. No? We have here our toilet and bath, no? So, of course, kumpleto tayo ng fixtures, no? We have the water closet. Meron tayo ditong lavatory with faucet. And of course, kumpleto yan, no? Ang ating shower at may mga shower fixtures. Meron din po tayo dito, no? Sa bahaging ito na ventilation para yun, no? For lighting at saka para sa ventilation nga, no? Pumasok yung hangin. And this is our service door, connecting our service area, no? Sa bahaging ito, of course, magkakaroon tayo ng kitchen sink, no? Meron yan lababo, of course. Magkakaroon din yan ng gripo. And this is our, again, our service area na pwede natin gawing dirty kitchen or pwede rin natin lagyan ng laundry. Again, this is our ground floor. Nakita niyo naman po talagang spacious, no? And of course, may malaki tayong bintana dito. Naka-sliding window na tayo, no? At pag binuksan natin yan, siguradong pasok na pasok ang ating hangin. So, malamig, no? At presko dito sa atin. And this is our stairs connecting to our second floor, no? By the way, no? Gawa ito sa bakal. Ayan, kaya talagang hindi aanayan. And yung ating stairs, no? Nakita nyo po, meron na tayong vinyl tiles o vinyl tiles, no? Kaya talagang livable na itong property natin. Let's check our second floor. And this is our second floor. So, meron tayong dalawang big windows, no? So, sliding window na din ito. And as you can see, no? Andito yung ating toilet and bath. Kung gusto nyo po ninyong magkaroon ng toilet and bath dito sa second floor, ayan, no? Napakadali lang kasi nakaabang na yung CR natin. And later on, pwede natin itong i-improve, no? Another bedroom or walk-in closet. Kaya, no? Since malaki pa yung space natin sa gilid. Cut. And this second floor is provision for 2 bedrooms, no? Pero yun nga, since meron tayong mga spaces sa likod saka sa harap, we can, no, improve later on kahit maging 3 to 4 bedrooms pa since napakalaki ng parking space natin. So again, we have the vinyl tiles, we have the ceiling, nakita nyo naman po, painted na rin po ito, at nakaabang na po yung ating mga saksakan at yung ating mga ready na rin para sa bumbilya, no? So, and again, meron tayong malaking bintana for lighting and ventilation. And since no, yung ating parking space ay halos nasa 5 meters So napakalaking expansion ito later on kapag may budget na po si buyer, pwede po tayo magpagawa ng another rooms, no, or even balcony. O, di ba? Okay na okay talaga dito sa Beverly Homes SJDM. And for our amenities, we have the main gate. Of course, we have 24-hour security. And of course, we have the clubhouse, basketball court, and playground. We have 10 meters wide na main road, kaya maaliwalas talaga dito sa ating community. Wait, there's more. Reserve now and avail up to 100,000 promo discount on TCP at 50,000 less on equity. Take note, for first few buyers lang po ito. Kaya reserve na. Bring your 2 valid IDs, proof of billing, at latest payslip. Ikaw, are you looking for your dream home? Contact Marlon of Allwell Homes Realty at 0991-483-4029. Tara, we will bring you home.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit like, comment, and share para updated kayo sa mga post ko. Thank you. Let's go in finding your dream home.